be completely honest, I wasn't the one who engaged in the separation. Yun lang po siya. I wasn't the one who initiated the breakup.
Si Yan Lim, ibinunyag na hindi siya ang nagsimula ng hiwalayan nila ni Kim Chiu. Sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda noong Miyerkules, tinanong ng King of Talk ang actor Kapuso kung sila ba ni Kim ay magkaibigan pa ngayong hiwalay na sila. Of course, nagulat ako sa tanong. Of course, yes, anya. Sinabi ni Sia na hindi sila nag-usap mula nang maghiwalay sila noong nakaraang taon. When the night happened, maayos yung pag-uusap namin. Of course, merong iyakan. But there was the assurance na we went through 12 years, diba? 12 years of our existence. So it has the respect, you know, dagdag pa niya. Kasunod nito, ay sinabi ni Sia na hindi siya ang nakipaghiwalay sa dating karelasyon. Ang dami kasing kwento. Yun nga yung mahirap sa isang public relationship. They've been there since day one, nung panliligaw pa lang, all the way to more than a decade. People come up with all this mode of lies kung ano man, but we release our statement na we both decided to part ways. To be completely honest, I wasn't the one who engaged in the separation. Yun lang po siya. It's that simple. I wasn't the one who initiated the breakup. Tanong ni Tito Boy kay Sian, if you have it your way, hindi pa kayo hiwalay ni Kim? Sagot ni Sian, I understand why the supporters are angry. I understand why they felt betrayed. Pero masakit din yun para sa amin. They're watching it from a distance. Eto kaming dalawan, we have our talks, nag-usap kami privately. Hindi na kailangan pong himayin kung sino ang nagkulang. I think the link of it speaks for itself. And yung mga pambabati ko sa akin ang karamihan, I think they should just look at it from lens na for more than a decade. I never had any, my record it's clean, and I'm proud of that. You're not gonna see me in a places you're not supposed to see me. Yun lang siya. The time speaks for itself. Sa pagkakataong ito, hindi pwedeng akusahan si Sia na ginagamit niya sa promo ang playtime ang issue ng paghihiwalay nila ni Kim dahil sumagot lamang siya sa mga tanong ni Tito Boy. Malungkot na sinabi ni Sia. It's just sad sa maraming intriga na lumalabas, especially against me. And I don't wanna make it seem like, oh bakit yan si Sia ng ingay-ingay ngayon? Kung ano-ano ang pinagsasabi because may promo ng pelikula. It's just a very delicate thing and I do understand why people are upset but we are okay.